shit. He was thirsty, real thirsty. Sorry, man. We're with the current, I won't play the game. I'm trying to find the balance, I'm trying to maintain. I'm nothing like the rest. I'm trying to break away, but the more things change, the more they stay the same. Prepare for war, I dig my heels in and take the strain. Fuel my passion, burn it brighter than a naked flame. I wanna see things improve, but I ain't waiting vain. Cause the more things change, the more they stay the same. As far as I'm concerned, the whole world can strike twice. Leave me the fuck alone so I can write rhymes. We won't ever see no justice in our lifetimes. They keep on getting richer while we struggle by the sideline. 9 times out of 10 they create a zeitgeist. The whole world somehow convinced that they have like minds. Great minds don't think alike, they think differently. That's why public opinion ain't shit to me. I never fall down, I'm all out for victory. Only those who win the war get to write the history. Marching to different beats till I go blister tree. It's not a metaphor, I mean it literally. An individual is something I insist to be. I put the real me in every single real shit speech. Individuals got me switching to a vicious beat. Walking the British streets, talking free British shit. Now comes the vengeance. Swim with the current, I won't play the game. I'm trying to find a balance and trying to make a name. I'm nothing like the rest. I'm trying to break away, but the more things change, the more they stay the same. Prepare for war and dig my heels in and take the strain. Fuel and passion, burn it brighter than a naked flame. I wanna see things improve, but I'm waiting vain. Cause the more things change, the more they stay the same. Back on my bullshit, back on my grizzly. Pen and a pad and hit black full of whiskey. Back to the big league, back to looking for an opportunity. Cause I'll be damned if it miss me. Back to the drawing board, nose to the grindstone. Off the map into my mind zone, time zone. Brainstorm chaser, rhyme flow cycle. Do the dice up into the truth, I'ma do me. Now right back at it. Fucking up a mic, I want it right back, damn it. I control the crowd, something like black magic. It's not manic, I cause a nationwide mass panic. Plus, I give a fuck if it's dead or not. I'll be hip-hop till my body gets left to rot. Until the flowers grow wild on my grave. Till they wither in the winter and the very last petals drop. Comes the vengeance. With the current, I won't play the game. I'm trying to find a balance and trying to make a name. I'm nothing like the rest. I'm trying to break away, but the more things change, the more they stay the same. Prepare for war and dig my heels in and take the strain. Fuel my passion, burning brighter than a naked flame. I wanna see things improve before I'm waiting vain. Cause the more things change, the more they stay the same. Yeah! Make a little bit of noise so I don't